Welcome to the project demonstration of AgriBots by using rocker bogie mechanism. So here mainly we have the features like video surveillance from this ESP32 camera, and next water spraying with a multi-nozzle with scissor mechanism, and so this is a water tanker along with the seed drop and with adjustable seed drop mechanism along with moisture content measurements with LED indication. So here we can see the LED indication, and the whole system getting driven by the ESP32 camera along with Arduino Uno board and from the solar driven. So here we are using a 12 volt 5 watt solar panel, and the total system driven by the 12 volt 7 amp battery pack. So under this we have placed the 12 volt 7 amp battery pack, which is rechargeable to the solar panel as well as to the transformer. And the cell supply for the relay boards will be to the DC motors. We are using total 6 DC motors, and each DC motor is 12 volt 1.5 ampere power consumption DC motor, and the rating is 30 rpm DC motor we are using. And this is a 4 relay board to control the DC motor movements, and this is a single relay to on and off the seed, and the next 2 relays we are using. These are 2 relays for scissor mechanism controlling purpose, up and down, and one more relay is there to this is a relay to control this water pump motor. And here we are using the 6 DC motors for the rocker bogie mechanism for the movement of this vehicle. And coming to the charging, so we have the alternate charging, the grid. So using transformer, whenever the sunlight is not available, we can charge this battery pack. Just disconnect the solar panel from the T/S slots and connect the transformer over there, and we can on the power supply to the once on the power supply to the transformer, then we can see the charging indication, and it will get fully charged in a duration of 8 hours, either from the solar panel and from the transformer. So before demonstration, very first step is we should keep the battery under full charge, and if the battery is fully charged, we can utilize this at least of 2 to 3 hours continuously by interval based. We can use it for whole day. And the next step is in your mobile phone, for controlling from the mobile phone by getting the visuals which are getting from this ESP32 camera, we need to install network analyzer application. And next go to hotspot settings of your phone, change the hotspot name to project 6861 without any space, without any capital letter, password 129, and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. So after configure these hotspot settings successfully, and here project should be small letters without any space, without any capital letter. Right, on the hotspots, and now we can on the kit. There you can see the switch to on the power supply to the robots. Right, and once we on that, we can see one device is connected in your mobile phone. Right, one device is successfully connected. Now to get the IP address of that device, open the network analyzer application, options, do LAN scan, do the scan. 2 IP addresses will get. One is our mobile phone, another is our ESP32 camera. So open it directly in Google Chrome. Right, so there you get the visuals from the camera itself directly, and from there we can control the direction of this robot along with LED on, LED off, right, headlights, and buzzer on, buzzer off, just for provide the audible alerts for animals. And the next water motor on, water motor off, scissor mechanism up, down, and seed motor on, seed motor off. Right, as we can see the working. And now let us see the forward. So touch and hold that, then the system will move forward direction, backward, right, left movement. And coming to the LED on, LED off. So headlight on, headlight off, and scissor mechanism also when we place up, so the system will run for only 1 minute, for 1 second. Right, and down, right, and we can on the motor. So just fill the water into the tanker. Right, yes, we fill the water now. You can check with motor on, so we can check the water pumping into this one. Right. Okay. Right. And coming to the seats. So while moving forward, we can run the seats also. So we can do the forward. Seats off. So let us check with water again. Buzzer on also. So for treating the animals when they are coming in front of this robots, water on water we have checked again. So you can check this. So forward. Right. Water on. Right. Okay. Right, I can see the. So when we are make this idle, then go with up. As we can adjust this. Right. So as we have said, this LED indication, whenever the dryness is detected, then the light will be on, and when the wetness is detected, then it will be off. Just we are demonstrating that by adding the right. You can see that when we add the water to that one, on off. Right. Okay. Right. So this is the main model. So agriculture robot with solar powered using rocker bogie mechanism, with seat rope and water pumping along with scissor mechanism.